to go outside and get some breakfast? Yeah, gonna have a little resort day here at the Riviera before we go to Jollywood Nights. That'll be in a separate video. If you're interested in watching our experience at that event, make sure to subscribe, and we will have that for you coming soon. But today, we're just gonna have a nice little resort day afternoon here at the Riviera and just kind of chill and relax until it's time to go over to Hollywood Studios. Are you ready? Oh, you're already into the relax mode. Oh, well, okay. We're gonna get set, get dressed, and head out. All right, so we're out here over by the Skyliner, across the lake by the fountain. There's the Riviera right there. If you count up 4, you see our room right there, the balcony. Beautiful view of Epcot, which is right over there. Parking lots here. Main entrance straight ahead there in the center. And this here, this grassy knoll, if you will, by the lake, is what we're gonna call the service dog relief area. There is technically not an official area here at the Riviera because this hotel is not pet friendly. It is only service dog friendly. And according to some Disney executives that we ran into, in which case there is not an official area, any grassy area will do, as long as you're respectful. So take that note, and if you're staying at a hotel that does not have a designated service dog relief area, just find some grass and be respectful. We usually like to come out towards the front by the parking lot, away from people. Out here by the entrance, got good space to walk around. Just, watch out for critters in the lake. It is Florida, you never know. And yeah, there you go. So after we take care of business out here, we're gonna go back inside and get breakfast. It's gonna be wonderful. What a beautiful day. So pretty. Everything's decorated. Christmas trees. Oh, so good. Look at this Christmas tree. Oh, pretty. Okay, so now we're back in the room and we've got breakfast ready to go. This is the cinnamon crumble French toast style bread pudding with vanilla cream and like a whole handful side of bacon. Holy moly. This is like 4 days worth of bacon. Wow. Ernie is already very happy. He's gonna get this. Little bits of bacon, yeah. But holy moly, does that look really, really good. Oh my. And then we filled up our refillable cup with some iced tea and we're good to go. Breakfast of champions. Let's dig in. Well, that's incredible. Yum. Wow. Now we came outside, swaying the camera because I'm sitting in a swing. Sorry, that's probably annoying to watch. I'll stop for a second. Out over here. Right behind us over here is the breakfast spot. Up here, that's where we were for breakfast. So just came out those doors right over there, the awning. If you went straight in there, up those stairs there, that's the lobby. first floor, and we're just out here on the little patio. Got a view of the Skyliner over the lake. Got some games out here and a couple of swings, and just rocking out. I'm gonna take a walk around and have a lovely afternoon. So over here is the pool. I don't see anybody swimming. It's 11:45, so everybody's at the parks having a grand day. But look at that slide. That slide looks cool. Yeah, and there's a little ice cream stand right here on the side. How fun is that? That's where we just were. We just walked down that path, down by the swings. And we're just walking around. Looks like there's another pool over there to the left. We'll go check that out, but we're gonna make our way around this way. Skyliner, lake, Caribbean beach over there. We're gonna go this way. There's a fire pit down here. I bet they do s'mores. I bet this is where they have the s'mores at night. Yummy. What a great view too. You can have some s'mores, watch the Skyliner over the lake. Fantastic. Down there, way over towards the splash pad, and there's nobody using it, so we can actually take a picture and film. Yay, looks fun. Lots of slides, water cannons. That. Excellent. Over here, we've got Bar Riva, which is a little outdoor dining, little pool bar. So we just came from over here. There's the splash pad. We just walked around the pool, which is right here. So basically made a loop around Bar Riva. This is great. We might just sit out here, have a little beverage. That would be nice. Did want to point out that you do need to be staying at the Riviera in order to access the pool. So when you come down here, you're going to need to bring your magic band. And then you tap the magic band over there to the holder, and the gate will open. And over here is the quiet pool, which you can see. No slide. A little bit more secluded. Again, you need your magic band to get down here. It's exclusive for people that are staying at the Riviera, so bring your magic band down to be able to access the pool. 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. There's the main lobby, main building. A little swing over there where we were sitting earlier. Got a gigantic Connect 4. Gonna keep walking around this way. Let's see if, oh yeah, look, okay, so just down this pathway here, right over there, is where you get the Skyliner. So, that building right there in the center, pick up the Skyliner, take you over to Epcot or Hollywood Studios or Caribbean Beach, and then transfer to Pop Century Art of Animation line. All set to go, but we'll come over here just a little bit and give you a closer look at the quiet pool. Again, not crowded at all. It's midday. Everybody's over in the park. Yeah. All right, let's head back over to the swing. Rock out for a little bit. All right, so you got two swings. This one over here has a giant checkers, and then the one where we were just has another little table, a little bit quieter. So we're getting ready to watch fireworks, and I'm gonna cut into my Santa hat, a little treat we got earlier. Peppermint mousse. I'm excited. Oh, it's a little hard at the bottom. Please stand by. Hold on. All right, look at that chocolate and peppermint mousse. That looks so good. Oh my goodness, and you can smell the peppermint. Actually, it looks like there might be pieces of peppermint in there. I don't know. I'm gonna take a bite and find out. Okay, this is ridiculously good. Chocolate mousse, peppermint mousse, and on the bottom there is a brownie. You guys, this is awesome. Available at the Riviera, $6.49, completely worth it. You can totally like save this in the refrigerator. You don't have to eat it all at the same time, or you could share it. If you're feeling, you know, festive and giving, you could share. Personally, I'm gonna eat like this other bit right here, this part, and then I'm gonna save that half right there, and that is going to be for tomorrow. This is so good. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Would definitely purchase again.